So in this video, I'll show you steps on how to maximize your chances at getting ZkS. That's their token, or at least that's what we think their token is. It has not been confirmed. And this is if zkSync does an airdrop in the future. All right, so that brings us to the first page and the first link we're going to visit, which is bridge.zkSync.io. But again, all the links will be down in the description. So here we're going to bridge our Ethereum from the zkSync Era, from Ethereum to the zkSync Era mainnet. I've already done that. What you basically do on this website is you see deposit. You fill in all of your Ethereum because we're going to bridge it all over to the zkSync Era mainnet, and then you just click deposit. You'll need enough Ethereum in your wallet as well to pay the gas fees, so you cannot transfer everything. Leave a little bit for the gas fees, click deposit, and very easily you have now bridged your assets from Ethereum to the zkSync network, which is the first step in this process. Will already give you a chance to have some ZkS tokens airdrop to you. The first website we're going to, and again all the links will be down in the pinned comment or the description, is ZyncSwap. And here I'm actually going to show you how to swap it. What we're basically going to do is we're going to swap Ethereum for USDC. Or USDC for Ethereum, but we have bridged Ethereum over, so we have Ethereum. I still have 0.21 right now, so for example, I will bridge over 0.1 to USDC. What you do then is you just press swap if everything is correct, $175 for $174 back, which is, you know, fine. You'll lose some money. That is what will happen when you're doing these actions. But you press swap, you approve it in your MetaMask wallet. There you click confirm, and it's very easy. Then you have done that. You've bought some USDC for your Ethereum. That's the first thing we're going to do on ZyncSwap. The second thing is we're going to add liquidity to a liquidity pool. So you press pools up here, goes to the USDC Ethereum pool. And what you'll do is you have to deposit something in the pool. I already have something in it as well, about $200. But what you do is you deposit. You press, for example, 150 USDC. Add tokens in balanced proportion. You do as well. You have to add as much in value as in USDC as in Ethereum. You press unlock USDC, which basically you need to do for MetaMask, so that the website, so that MetaMask knows that you that the website is allowed to get your USDC. Press confirm. Then you press deposit, and you have added to the liquidity pool. Now this we are not only going to do, I'm going to have to confirm that in MetaMask as well. Very easy, to be honest. But now you have added it to the liquidity pool. So now you can see that I have over or a little bit less than $500 in assets in the liquidity pools on ZyncSwap. We're going to do the same thing. This is all the same step on Space Swap as well. So here it works exactly the same. You can swap from Ethereum to USDC. And then at the very top, you can see the pool. You say add liquidity to Ethereum against USDC, for example. And then you can add liquidity here as well. It works exactly the same as ZyncSwap. And we're also going to do it on Mute Swap or mute.switch. Again, all the links will be down in the description. First of all, we will swap Ethereum, in this case, I think, against USDC. That's what we're going to do first. And then we're going to go to the menu up here, go to pool, and add to the USDC Ethereum pool as well. So that we have now interacted with 3 different decentralized DeFi applications, and we have swapped on them, and we have added liquidity to them. So that's step number 3, if I'm correct. Now the next thing we're going to do is mint our own NFT on mintsquare.io. If you go to that website, all the links are down in the description. At the top menu, you press the zkSync Era mainnet, and then you go to mint. There you will just have to, or just upload a picture, which is going to be your own NFT. I created an NFT off of the logo of Selenics Crypto. You have to give it the name and then just very easily press mint. And once you press mint, it will take you back to MetaMask. There you will have to pay the gas fee to actually create the NFT. Just confirm that. If the gas fee is not too high, you will all be able to see that in the mainnet. And then you have minted your own NFT, which is also one thing that could be considered in the airdrop. You can see for me right now, I have my own NFT minted, the Selenics Crypto NFT. So if you want to buy that, go to mintsquare.io and give me some offers, at least 10 Ethereum. So, and the next step is we're going to go to crew3.xyz/zkSync, but again, links are down in the description. And here we're going to complete tasks. So basically this is a dashboard of different quests made by Crew3 in cooperation with zkSync, which allows you to become higher up in the Discord of zkSync. So this has no direct correlation to the airdrop yet, but it's a very small effort. I mean, I haven't completed all tasks yet. I have completed some. Very small effort, and it does create some goodwill and some potential for the zkS airdrop. So I would definitely recommend you to do this as well. Who knows what developments and who knows what kind of new things this cooperation between zkSync and Crew3 will bring in relation to the airdrop. All right, now on to the last step. So what we just talked about is, first of all, to bridge your Ethereum over to the zkSync Era mainnet. We talked about interacting with the DeFi applications, so Sync Swap, Space Swap, and Mute Switch. Swapping assets on there, but also adding to liquidity pools, so really using the network. We minted our own NFT, and we completed quests for zkSync. Now, apart from that, the biggest thing I think for this airdrop is going to be continued usage of the platform. Bridge assets over to Ethereum again, and then back to the zkSync mainnet. Use the DeFi services more often, swap different tokens, add to liquidity pools, withdraw from liquidity pools, mint NFTs, and most importantly, stay up to date with the zkSync ecosystem. And when new decentralized applications come out, interact with them, use the network. I think that's the most important thing if you actually want to be eligible for this airdrop. What they essentially want is that they want to airdrop the tokens to people who have actually used the mainnet, used decentralized applications for different purposes, and that's what you're going to have to do. The mainnet of zkSync, the Era mainnet, has just launched. So these are just a few things you can do already, but in the future there will definitely be more things you can do. So subscribe to my channel, follow me on Twitter if you want more updates on that. But for now, these are the steps to actually increase your chances and to be eligible for the zkS airdrop. So let me know if you have any questions, but for now, take care and bye.